Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Zelle on the Chase app. To get started, open the Chase mobile app on your phone and log in using your username and password. Once you are signed in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Pay and Transfer option. This section contains several payment and transfer features available within the Chase app. Next, select Send Money with Zelle. If this is your first time using Zelle, you may be asked to review the terms and conditions. After that, choose the checking account you would like to use for sending money. For security purposes, Chase will verify your identity. A one-time verification code will be sent to the phone number connected to your account. Enter the code when prompted and wait for the verification process to complete. Once your account is verified, you are ready to send money. Enter your recipient's name along with their email address or mobile phone number. Make sure the information is correct before moving forward. Now, type the amount of money you want to send. After entering the amount, confirm which account will be used to fund the payment. Review all the details carefully, including the recipient information and payment amount. When everything looks correct, tap Review and Send. The app will display a final confirmation screen. If all the information is accurate, tap Send to complete the transfer. That is how you use Zelle on the Chase app to send money safely and conveniently. Thanks for watching.